Hi, my name is Simran Anwani. I also go by Racket Sport Girl. I'm a former state level tennis player and currently a professional pickleball player. I'm ranked 11th in India in women's singles. I played tennis from the age of 8 till about 16, and then I had a very long break. I was in the US for the last 10 years where I was studying, working, doing corporate life. But I went back to the tennis courts. I did well out there in a local tennis tournament and realized coming to pickleball, I think I've seen such a strong sense of community in the sport. I got added to some WhatsApp groups in Pune where people just came together to play pickleball, and it was a very organic and natural flow that got me into pickleball. 2025 has been a pretty successful year. I didn't think that's how the year would shape up, but if I had to think of one particular tournament or one particular event that stood out in all its grandeur for me, it would have to be the Ace Alley tournament that happened in Pune a few months back. I reached the women's singles finals. It was a 3-set match. I was down in the third set. I was down pretty significantly by a few points, and I was playing against one of India's top players. But I was able to manage to bring that game into a golden point and really winning on that golden point. And I think that's what really got that fire in me, that I was able to compete against Indian level players and national level players. And that's where I've seen myself get even more competitive as an athlete. So when I started competing, there weren't as many tournaments happening, but the tournaments that were happening didn't have a dedicated women's category. They were either men's categories or gender neutral categories where we'd see maybe 2 or 3 women participating with male partners. There wasn't a dedicated platform just for women players. And that's where I felt like we needed to see some change, because we were seeing women on the courts. We just weren't seeing them at a competitive level. So that's where the idea came about to start hosting more events where I had more control on the categories. So one of the first tournaments I organized, we had a special intermediate women's category, and the traction we saw out there was great. We saw about 20 women on the courts, which was unheard of at the time. Going to see only 2 to 3 women playing gender neutral doubles to seeing now 10 teams of 2 women, 20 women in total, I think that's where it really started making sense to me, and that's when I realized that these gaps needed to be filled, because Pune does have a lot of passionate women players. To be very honest, I wish I did a better job about balancing it out. Some weeks I feel like are a lot more heavier on the coaching side, and I do need to make more time for my own practice, but areas where I do see the coaching helping me on a personal level is the focus that I keep on technique, on footwork. When I myself am playing, I'm starting to get very mindful about it. And especially when I'm coaching beginners, the way I need to break down certain aspects of the sport, it's helping me realize the nuances within it, so I can see myself becoming more and more intentional about each shot. So I'm definitely seeing that improvement with my game on a personal level, and I'm genuinely super happy that I'm able to do both, just need to be doing it at a better balanced level as well. The initiative by ISST has been a great initiative. It's very nice to see different organizations and universities now putting more of an effort on athletes and life and the lifestyle of athletes. It seems like the work being done is capturing people in different sports and really giving them the visibility that they need. So big kudos to the organization, and looking forward to seeing lots more athletes being represented. Don't forget to follow Humans in Sports by ISST.